Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are very well by the grace of Allah. As the current situation is not going well, so we all pray to Allah that we can overcome it very soon. Today we will learn subtraction on borrowing. Here is some example I have given here. Now let's do the solution. First of all, we will do example number 1. See, I have copied here. Now, start the math. Units part we have to do first. See, here is 0, here is 4. 0 is smaller than 4, right? So, can I subtract 4 from 0? No. So, what can I do? I have to make it bigger. But how? I have to borrow 1 from 3/10. Let's borrow it. I have cut it, borrow 1 and place it over here, right? So 1 and 0 together 10. And as I have borrowed 1 from 3, so here will be 2 instead of 3. Now, units per. Upper number is 1 and 0 together 10. And here is 4. Okay, let's subtract it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where I have stopped my nickels counting? On nickels number 6. So here the result will be 6. Now, tens part. Upper number is 2 and here is 1. 2 is bigger than 1, right? So, we can subtract it easily. Okay. 1, 2. Where I have stopped my nickels counting? On nickels number 1, right? So, here will be 1. Do you understand? If you will not, I am doing another math. Here is again the same math I have copied from here. Number 2. Okay, let's do it. First, units part. See, here is 6 and here is 9, right? 6 is smaller than 9. Can I subtract 9 from 6? No. What can I do? I have to borrow 1 from 5/10. Okay, let's borrow it. I have cut it, borrow 1 and place it over here, right? And after borrowing 1 from 5, here will be 4. Now, in units part, upper number is 16. 1 and 6 together 16. 1 and 6 together 16. Again I am telling. 1 and 6 together 16. And here is 9. So we have to subtract 9 from 16. Okay, let's subtract it. 9 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Stop. Where I have stopped my Nichols counting? On Nichols number 7, right? So here the answer will be 7. Now this part. Upper number is 4 and here is 2. 4 is bigger than 2, so I can subtract it easily. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Where? On 2. So the answer will be 2. Right? Now, solution number 3. The same process, same thing. Again, I am telling for all of you. Listen to me very carefully. Here is number 3. Same math. Here is number 3. Okay. 5 is smaller than 8. 8 is bigger than 5. Can I subtract 8 from 5? No. The same problem because 5 is smaller than 8. Now, what can I do? I have to borrow 1 from 7/10. That's why I have cut it. And borrowing 1 and place it over here. 1 and 5, 15. Here is 1 and 5. We have to imagine this like 15. Right? As I have taken 1 already from 7, so here will be 6. Now, upper number is here 15. Again, I am telling 1 and 5, 15. And here is 8. Now, subtract 8 from 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is here 7. And here is 6, here is 3. So, again subtract it. 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 3. Now, number 4. Again, the same thing. Here is 3, here is 7. So, I have to make it bigger. How? I will borrow 1 from 6 and place it over here. 1 and 3 together 13. Again I am telling, here is 1, here is 3. Together 13. And after taking 1 from 6, here will be 5. So, 13 and 7. Subtract 7 from 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6. Again 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here is 6. I have stopped my Nichols counting. So the answer will be 6. And this part, here is 5, here is 4. So 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. Okay, 4, 5. Where I have stopped my Nichols counting? On Nichols number 1. So, the answer will be here 1. Here is the solution I have given for all of this math. I hope this will help you. If you have any problem, this video will help you a lot. So today that's it. I have finished my video. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.